happy to meet you again. Welcome to Math Help. Today, please before that, kindly subscribe and like and share the videos to your friend. With that, the algorithm is able to push it to most of your friends. So thanks for joining us today. Now let's move on to today's topic. So today, on our series of circle theorem, we'll be talking about the property 1. And it states that the angles, mind you, it's angles. The angles a chord. So AB is a chord. If you haven't, or if you are not so familiar with chord segment, kindly go to the videos, our previous videos on chords and segments to revise what a chord is, the properties of a chord and of a segment, so that you can be able to appreciate what we are doing. So the angles a chord AB subtends to the circumference of a circle. The angles a chord AB subtends to the circumference of a circle in the same segment. So this is a segment. This is a segment. This is also another segment. So the angles a chord AB subtends here in the same segment or the same region. They are always equal. So A is equal to B and is equal to C. This is a segment. From here to here is a big segment, and below the chord AB is a small segment. Now mind you, segment is dividing something into two parts. So this is a big segment and this is a small segment. So the angles formed in this segment are all equal. Now let's move on to an example of the property 1. In the question above, we are asked to find for angle QSR, angle QTR, and angle QPR, which are Y, A, and X. So knowing that the angles a chord or an arc subtends to the circumference of a circle in the same segment are always equal. So that is one rule that we have to keep in mind. So now let's move on straight to the question. We have been given angle TQR to be 60, angle TRQ to be 50. We can use the triangle here to find for A. So we can have something like this. Here is 60, here is 50. So here is Q, here is R, here is T. Now let's find for A. We know that the sum of angles in a triangle always add up to 180. So we have 60 plus 50, which is 110 plus A equals 180. Therefore, A equals 180 minus 110 degrees. A equals 70 degrees. Therefore, A is 70 degrees. So A is 70 degrees. But we know that from the rule or from the property 1, the angles a chord or an arc subtends to the circumference of a circle in the same segment are always equal. Therefore, Y is equal to A and S is also equal to A. It implies that angle QSR, which is X, equals 70 degrees, and angle QPR, which is Y, is also 70 degrees. So here is 70, here is 70, here is 70. So that is the property 1 rule. Thanks for joining us on Math Help. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly subscribe and like and share the videos to your friend. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section below. Thanks for joining us on Math Help. Bye.